We have already discussed about system of linear equation, and we have seen there are two types of system. One is homogeneous and second is non-homogeneous system. Homogeneous system is where RHS is equals to 0, and in non-homogeneous system RHS is not equal to 0. And in this video we are saying how to solve non-homogeneous system, method to solve non-homogeneous system. Non-homogeneous system RHS is not equals to 0. So we have Ax equals to b. This we have seen in the previous video. Now we have two types of solution. One is consistent and second is inconsistent solution. Consistent solution, rank of A is equals to rank of augmented matrix. What is A? A is the coefficient of all the unknowns. Coefficient of all the unknown is A. So the matrix A will contain coefficient of all the unknown, and augmented matrix will contain coefficient of all the unknown and the values in our RHS. So this is our augmented matrix and this is our matrix A, which contains coefficient of unknown variables. Now if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, then there are two types of solution. One is unique solution and other is infinite many solution. If rank of A is equal to rank of B, and which is it is equals to n, where n is number of unknowns. So if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix and it is equals to R, and which is equals to number of unknowns, then the type of solution is called as unique solution. And the second type of solution is infinite many solution, where rank of A is equal to rank of B and both are less than number of unknowns. Rank of A is equals to rank of augmented matrix and both are less than number of unknowns or number of variables. So in this question we have three variables, x1, x2 and x3, and we have to find out. And the third type of solution is inconsistent solution, where rank of A is not equal to rank of augmented matrix, and in this question we have to check the type of solution, whether it is unique, infinite many or no solution. So let's check it by using this method. First we have to find out the matrix A and augmented matrix. So matrix A is coefficient of all the unknowns, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. This is our matrix A. Second is X, which is x1, x2, x3, which contains all the variables, and the third is B, which contains RHS. So 1, 2, 3, and our augmented matrix A, B is 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let me check I have written it correctly or not. Yes. Now we have to apply row operation or column operation to find out the rank of this matrix. So I will be doing it by taking reference so that we don't take much time in solving this question. The first operation is on C1, which is C1 plus C3. So we are applying in C1 plus C3. So now AB becomes C1 में ऐड किया C3 को, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now we are applying on R1 minus R2, we get the matrix as R1 में से R2 को माइनस किया, 5 minus 8 minus 3, minus 1 minus 2, तो minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 5, 2, 0, 4, 1, 3. Okay, let me confirm it. I have done some mistakes. 3 plus 2 is 5 here, है ना. तो यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा 5 and it will become 0. 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 5 minus 2 5 2 0 4 1 3. So we will stop here and we see that the number of non-zero rows are n and rank of A is 3 because this part of this matrix is A matrix. You can see that this is a part of a matrix which is A matrix and its rank is 3 because number of non-zero rows are 3, and rank of AB is also 3 because number of non-zero rows are 3. Now we see that rank of A is equal to rank of B and both are equal to number of unknowns because here we are having 3 unknowns and rank of A is equal to rank of B and which is equals to 3 unknowns. Hence we can say that unique solution exists for this system of linear equations. So the correct answer is unique solution exists. So you should know how to apply operations on a matrix so that you can simplify the matrix and check the rank of the matrix, or you can directly convert this matrix in row equivalent form, which we have discussed in previous videos. So you can see the video on the description or in the playlist titled linear algebra. So this is how we solve method. This is how we solve non-homogeneous system. In the next video we will see how to solve homogeneous system.